Welcome to BrainFeed, your gateway to limitless learning. The legal profession is one of the most prestigious and influential industries in society. It is a complex industry that involves various legal processes that are based on communication and effective collaboration between multiple parties. Due to the nature of this industry, communication skills are crucial for professionals in the legal industry to succeed in their careers. Communication is the exchange of information through various methods including verbal, written, or nonverbal. In the legal profession, communication skills are necessary for numerous reasons. The effective exchange of information is critical in ensuring clients understand their legal position, the options they have, and the possible outcomes of their case. Lawyers need to communicate complex legal concepts in simple terms, so clients can understand and make informed decisions. The need for communication skills in the legal profession extends beyond client interactions. Lawyers work with other lawyers, colleagues, judges, and other legal professionals. The ability to communicate effectively with these stakeholders is essential to ensure that legal procedures are executed efficiently and effectively. Lawyers who have strong communication skills can improve their chances of success in their careers. Here are several ways effective communication skills benefit professionals in the legal industry. Improved client relationships. Lawyers with excellent communication skills can develop a solid rapport with their clients. Excellent communication enables lawyers to build trust with their clients, which is essential in legal cases where a client's reputation, future, or life is on the line. Lawyers who communicate clearly and regularly with their clients can ease the pressure of the legal process and help put clients at ease. When a client feels comfortable with their lawyer, they are more likely to be open and honest about their case. This level of honesty can help lawyers develop a more robust legal strategy that best represents their clients' interests. Increased efficiency. Effective communication skills help lawyers streamline their processes and increase efficiency. Attorneys who can communicate with other attorneys or legal professionals on the opposing side can develop workable agreements efficiently. Additionally, communication skills help lawyers present litigation materials proficiently, saving time during court sessions. Lawyers who communicate clearly are also better at delegating tasks to paralegals, interns, and other professionals. These delegated tasks can help protect a lawyer's valuable time, allowing them to focus on more important tasks. Improved negotiation skills. The legal profession relies heavily on negotiation and conflict resolution. To navigate this complex process, great communication skills are necessary. Lawyers who are good at communicating can effectively present their client's case and negotiate a fair agreement on their behalf. The ability to effectively negotiate means that lawyers can create a win-win situation whereby both parties may benefit from the agreement. This skill is invaluable in the legal profession because it enables clients to resolve legal disputes without a time-consuming trial that could damage their reputation or cost a lot of money. Build strong working relationships. The legal profession involves a vast network of professionals such as legal secretaries, court reporters, paralegals, and judges, among others. Effective communication skills help lawyers build strong relationships with these professionals. By building strong relationships, lawyers can collaborate more efficiently, maximize their resources, and provide better legal services to their clients. Enhanced public speaking skills. In the legal profession, an attorney's ability to present eloquent and persuasive arguments is a crucial asset. Judges, juries, and other stakeholders need to understand the legal argument that lawyers present. Good public speaking skills enable lawyers to communicate their arguments confidently and persuasively. Poor communication skills, on the other hand, can be a significant drawback in the legal profession. Lawyers with poor communication skills may struggle to articulate legal arguments properly, failing to convince judges or sway juries to their side. A poor presentation can damage clients' cases, cost them money, and even lead to lost opportunities. Developing communication skills. Best practices for the legal profession. Communication skills are essential in the legal profession. However, some lawyers may struggle with communication due to a variety of reasons, such as speaking with people from different cultural backgrounds, language barriers, and an inability to convey complex legal concepts in simple terms. Fortunately, lawyers can develop and improve their communication skills through various techniques, and some of these best practices include active listening. Lawyers should cultivate active listening skills to understand their clients' concerns. Active listening requires lawyers to pay attention and notice nonverbal cues, including body language, facial expressions, and tone. Effective writing skills. Lawyers need to convey complex legal arguments comprehensively in writing. This skill requires the ability to articulate points clearly and concisely. Speaking clearly. Lawyers should communicate effectively and clearly, employing an appropriate tone and language, depending on the audience. Empathy. Empathy is an essential aspect of communication, whereby lawyers should put themselves in their clients' shoes, understand their communication preferences, and respond accordingly. Lastly, lawyers can improve their communication skills by researching existing case studies or enrolling in communication courses to enhance their skills. Conclusion. Effective communication skills play a significant role in the legal profession. It enables lawyers to work efficiently, streamline their legal procedures, and effectively present convincing legal arguments. It also fosters stronger relationships with clients, legal professionals, and other stakeholders in the industry. Therefore, professionals in the legal industry must continue to develop and refine their communication skills to achieve success in their careers. Thanks for watching BrainFeed. Consider liking the video and subscribe to our channel for daily educational content.